So I have a problem with this phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy S4 and it says it could not boot a normal boot. Could not do a normal boot. I've tried all the 7 things that I can do. The first thing is I take out the battery and discharge it. I'm holding down the keys to discharge the phone. Then I turn back the battery and I'm holding the volume up, the home button and the power button. And I'm waiting to show something on the phone. It's showing nothing. So this is the first step that I tried. First step, I removed the SD card. I don't have an SD card. I'm turning back the battery in and I'm connecting to my computer. I'm holding now the down key and the down key and the power button. So let's see what's happened. Okay, so I can't get any screen result. Okay, something is vibrating. Okay, so I take this message, but when I press the volume down, it's shut down and nothing happens. It shows the screen and it's staying here for a very long time. It's not booting at all. It's not booting up. It freezes the screen. Okay, so now I tried a second step for powering this phone is holding the power button and the volume up key for 15 seconds. Now let's see with the power cord on and still nothing. It's not booting at all. It's not vibrating anything. So step 2, nothing. So in the step 3 I'm now holding the volume up button, the power button and the home button to see if something happens. Okay, is happening nothing. Nothing at all. The step 3 is not doing anything. So I'm trying another time the volume up button, the power button and the home button to see if something happens. And nothing happens. So I have a weird problem. Sometimes it power ups, sometimes no. But I never get a boot, safe boot, where I can clear my cache out. No, it's not working. So now I will try to hold the down volume, the home button and the power button, and still nothing's happening. I'm holding it now for 5 seconds and it's not happening, nothing. So another try, nothing. I'm now trying the smack thing. Oh, they say that this button can stuck inside this and you have to smack it down. Okay, I'm turning out the battery and then you smack it down and maybe then start to work. Okay, I have smacked a lot of time, but you will see now if it's working. So I'm holding the volume up, the power key and the home button and nothing, still nothing. The last thing that I did, I have a second battery that is working fine on my other Samsung S4 and I'm now turning it on this Samsung S4 to see where is the battery issue. So the battery is inside and we will power on to see if it's working. Okay, something's happening. This is the 7th take. Okay, the phone vibrated, but nothing else. It's vibrate one time and it's not powering at all. So weird thing. It's vibrating but nothing else. Maybe holding this down. No, still nothing. Okay, this was the battery attempt and nothing happened. I would like if anyone can help me with this phone. I can afford another phone now. It's a phone model of the Samsung Galaxy S4 and I have many things inside. If somebody can help and resolve my issue of booting this phone up. I was making a call and the phone suddenly went in this mode that I cannot power it on, or I power it on and I get a red message here shown at the beginning of this video. So if somebody can help me, or leave a comment below to my video and have an idea what an issue what this phone had. Thank you very much.